Hi everybody, this is Trevor Gold with Bill Computing, and today I'm back again with another video. Today I'll be performing an unboxing of the new Nest Thermostat E device. This device was announced by Nest on the 31st of August and just became available for purchase a couple days ago. I picked up this particular device on Amazon, so I'll put a link down below in the description in case you also want to purchase the device. Before we actually begin with the unboxing, I wanted to go over some of the specifications. I've looked on all sides of the box and there's not any information there, so I decided to print it out online so I can share it with you before we perform the unboxing. So here we go. So this is the actual size and weight of the device. We'll see that the color is white, and that is the only color available. No other colors are available. The screen has a 24-bit color LCD. It's a 320 by 320 resolution at 182 pixels per inch. And the display is a 1.76 inch display. Some compatibility information, which we'll go over later. We'll see here with the battery, it has a built-in rechargeable lithium-ion battery. And the power consumption is less than 1 kilowatt hour per month, so that's very, very little power used to power the device and to manage it. The connectivity requirements are Wi-Fi and internet, a phone, a smartphone obviously, a tablet running iOS or Android, and of course you'll need to have the Nest app installed. For wireless, it supports 802.11bgn as well as AC, and also supports Bluetooth Low Energy. That's always good to have as well. Goes over some certification information, has a 1-year warranty. These are the items included within the box: a display, a base, optional trim plate, mounting screws and labels, installation guide, and a pro installation card. And as far as specifications, guys, that's all there is. So let's go ahead and look at the box here. There's not really a whole lot going on. Just has the image of the Nest device here on the front of it. Has some Nest branding here at the top. Nest Thermostat E, with a phrase here: it's easy to save energy. Off to the right side of the box, there's a lot going on. Shows in the box is the Nest Thermostat E, installation guide, mounting screws, and a trim kit. Goes over some compatibility requirements. I'm going to pause here for a minute just for you all to take a look at that. Okay, moving on down here to limited warranty information. Come down to the support at nest.com support. That's all there is on the right side of the box. On the left side of the box here we have the Nest Thermostat E works with most 24-volt heating and cooling systems, but some systems require a Nest Learning Thermostat. Make sure your system is compatible at nest.com works. Well, I've already done that, so I have no concern with that. Down here, another warning: before unwrapping, please check compatibility at nest.com works. Top of the box here, we have a picture of a smartphone with the Nest app running. Bottom of the box here, we have more Nest branding, Nest Thermostat E, and a picture of the device mounted on the wall with the screen powered on. It gives you an indication of how that would look. Okay, well, let's go ahead and cut through the protective seal. Let's lift off the cover. Okay, and there you go. Presentation-wise, just has the device itself showing, not really anything else. Has a very clean type of presentation. We'll set that to the side. Here inside we have the Nest Thermostat E installation guide. In most cases I would not even read installation guides, but being that this has requirements for each different specific type of heating and cooling devices, it's really important to read that to make sure that you don't damage your heating or cooling device or your actual Nest device. So I really highly encourage for you to read that. Here we go. This is the wiring backplate which the Nest device would mount onto. And we'll see here at the top there's actually a level. That way to ensure that it gets mounted on the wall straight. Has some wiring information here on both sides. On the back of it, not really much at all. In fact, this will mount to the back plate so you don't even see that. Let's see what else is included within here. Okay, and here are the mounting screws. They're actually put into the cardboard box here, so really important not to throw those away. Otherwise, you wouldn't have the ability to mount it to the wall. So very important to look for everything before you get rid of the cardboard box. Here is the actual trim plate where the wiring back plate would go, and of course then your Nest device would connect to that, so it gives you a nice clean appearance on the wall. We'll set all that to the side here. And let's take a look at the actual Nest device itself, take an up close look to it. I'm not sure if you can tell, but it's actually made of plastic and not metal. Has some Nest branding here at the bottom. And more Nest branding here on the back, and of course this is where this was attached to the wiring plate. In comparison to my existing Nest device I have, you'll see this one here is actually made of metal, has a higher build quality than this one. This one is actually metal. As far as the size of them, this is slightly bigger, and of course it weighs more because it's metal. Turn them over here. The back of both devices look very similar. Nest branding on both and where they connect to the wiring plate. Put them together again for size reference. You'll see on my current Nest device that the Nest branding is actually here at the top of the device, whereas the Nest E device has the branding here at the bottom. Get up a close view of that. There we go. So I'm actually very excited to begin to put this device to use to see how similar it is in function to this one. From what I can tell, that the functions between the two are very, very close, so you won't really be losing much by going with a more inexpensive option, which is this one. This costs $169 on Amazon right now, and this still runs $249. So this is really the more economical choice. Well guys, I think I'm going to go ahead and end the video there. I will tell you I'm very curious if you all want to post comments down below as to what devices you currently use, or maybe the one that you're planning on buying. So again, as always, thanks for subscribing and viewing, and we'll see you next time.